All right, a couple more things. So anytime you want to get to the help menu, help, and Unity manual, and it's got all kinds of things, graphics, 3D, you can do a search. Very, very useful. Okay. Our assets should be organized. So you can right click here and create folders to keep all your assets in. So we can put sprites, and this is so this one's just an image. You can click and delete assets. That is a sprite. We still have our image asset. So the image is just an image. The sprite says I got the sprite from up here and pulled it down into my assets folder. Oops. I got two things in there. Control Z works. Alright. You can change the background color. Analog colors. So this is a camera background. We'll change it to like a pink. I just clicked on it. You can also do so I clicked on there. I get my color box. You can do RGB numbers, etc. Alright, you're going to try it. You're going to try making a new 2D project. You're going to bring in, find an image, bring it in, make it into a sprite, change the background color, go to the help menu, look up 2D assets, or basics, 2D projects, basics. Alright, give it a try.